I love you, May May. Which princess is your favorite? Mama, will you take my picture?
I'm not.
What?
I'm just looking at the camera.
Oh. Hi, May May. What's your favorite flower? What? What's a petunia? I like tulips. Oh, but I got tulips here. Uh-huh. Yes, but they're still inside. But maybe after our nap, we'll have time. Maybe out in the backyard.